Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to place objects on top of each other in augmented reality using a reality kit in Flutter iOS. So this would be an iOS specific video. So firstly I'll show you guys the output. So here I have granted the camera permission, and here you can see as soon as I touch on the screen, places a cube. Be patient a little because it does take little bit of time to detect your environment based on your lighting. So make sure you have proper lighting, and then you can just click on your screen and it places cube on top of each other. So as you can see, I'm placing cubes on top of one another. If I want to start a new set of cubes, I can do that as well. So yeah, that's what this video is about. Let's see how to do this. So firstly, inside our Flutter project, I have just refactored this my homepage widget. It is a stateless widget, and here I have created one size box to occupy the entire width and height, and this is our custom widget which I have created. So going to this our custom widget, this requires an identifier, so we will have to use the same identifier on native iOS side as well, and it is a stateless widget. If platform is iOS, then only we are displaying it, otherwise I'm just displaying a placeholder for all other platforms. Now you will have to open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. Firstly go to runner, and here you have to change the minimum deployment target to at least 13, as well as over here you will have to change it to 13. Then go to app delegate, and here I'm just registering our view. So this is basic boilerplate code which you have to write every single time you have to embed a native iOS view inside your Flutter app. Only thing is this should be the same, so the identifier is same which I have used it on Flutter side, and it references another Swift file. So just create this Swift file. So as you can see, I have created this Swift file. Again, this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you have to embed a native iOS view inside your Flutter project. Only thing is here we are referencing another Swift file called my AR view native view. So for that I have created. One more thing before I forget, go to your info.plist and make sure you add this camera usage description permission. Coming back to our Swift file, here I have imported UI kit, reality kit and AR kit. This is our parent view and this is our AR view. So here we are initializing our parent view. Here we are overriding this method to return our parent view, and here we are calling this create native view. So inside that we are creating our AR view, adding it to our parent view, making sure it occupies the entire width and height, and adding one click listener on our AR view. Now to be honest with you, even I don't completely understand this bit of code, but basically what happens is when you click on something, we get the position of it, and then we call this method place cube at that particular position. So if you see over here, we are just creating a cube and placing it at that particular position. Here I have also created one extension method just to generate random colors. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.